Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'll show you how to install Snapchat on your Mac and use it like a standalone desktop app. Now, there isn't an official Snapchat app available for macOS in the App Store, but don't worry, you can easily install it as a web app, and it works just like a regular application on your Mac. Let's get started. First, open Safari on your Mac. You can click the Safari icon in your dock, or press Command plus space to open Spotlight Search, type Safari, and press Enter. Once Safari opens, go to snapchat.com and log into your Snapchat account. After the website fully loads, move your cursor to the top menu bar and click on File. From the drop-down menu, select Add to Dock. A small confirmation window will appear. You can rename it to Snapchat if you'd like, then click Add, and that's it. You'll now see the Snapchat icon in your dock, just like a normal app. When you click the icon, Snapchat opens in its own dedicated window, without browser tabs or other distractions, giving you a clean and focused experience. Even if you completely close Safari, Snapchat will continue running independently, just like a standalone desktop app. You can also find it anytime in Launchpad, or by searching with Spotlight. This method is quick, simple, and doesn't require downloading any third-party software. And that's how you install Snapchat as a standalone app on your Mac. If this video helped you, make sure to like the video and subscribe for more simple and practical Mac tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.